Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop your battery from draining faster. So if you have a phone that the battery drains faster, I'm going to show you a couple of settings, that you can turn off and your battery will last longer. So let's just go right into settings. Now while you are into settings, what you want to do is to scroll down till you get to Google. Now when you get to Google, you're going to open Google and tap all services on the right. Scroll down till you see what we're looking for is privacy and security. Now while in privacy and security, what you want to click is personalize using shared data. All right, so go to personalize using shared data. So what this does is that as you use your phone, Google automatically allows these services to work on the background, and they tend to drain your battery. So most of these services you do not need their services immediately. So what this does is that personalization share data. Google is trying to use your data on your Gmail, that is your activities on your Gmail, to be able to make suggestions for Google as to what they can do to improve Google services generally. But that is not really beneficial to you in any way. It is more or less beneficial to Google, and then it drains your battery. So since you're looking for ways to reduce the rate at which your battery drains, so what you want to do is to turn this Gmail off. So anytime you're working on Gmail, Google will not use your battery to be able to get your activities on Google. The same thing with your drive, your Google Drive. Google will no longer be able to use your activities on Google Drive to be able to make improvements for Google, because it drains the battery. The same thing with external media. You're going to turn this off. You're going to turn device contacts off. That way your battery lasts longer, and this will not be able to work at the background. Now you know that the only thing that consumes your battery are things and programs, applications that you are actively using, not some random apps that is just consuming your battery at the background. All right, so if that is done, the next thing we want to do is to go back. So we're going to go back, and you want to click on usage and diagnostic. So you can see usage and diagnostics, so we're going to click on it. All right, so for this usage and diagnostic, how this works is that Google make use of your phone usage, your activities on your phone, sites you visit, activities that you use regularly or frequently on your phone, to be able to make suggestions for you as to products and services that can be recommended to you, and advertisements that will be recommended to you. But you don't need all of that. So you do not want your phone usage to be sent to Google for recommending products and services to you. So this particular service here is not really essential to you. All right, so if you turn it off, it's not going to mess up anything on your phone. Rather, it's going to reduce your battery load. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. When I turn it off, this will not be able to use my battery at the background again, so my battery will last longer. All right, if that is done, the next thing you want to do is to go back again and scroll all the way down. So what are we looking for? We are looking for devices. So we're looking for devices. So let's go devices. All right, so devices, under connected devices and sharing. So we have connected devices and sharing, and under it you have devices. So this is devices. We're going to click on it, and we are going to turn this off. All right, so what this does is that it scans nearby devices if there are nearby devices, so that you can connect to it and then you can share results. So basically, as you move with your phone automatically searches for nearby Android devices, and so that you can save it on your phone, so that you can make use of it to share data or media. But you do not need all of this. All right, so if you need to share anything, of course you know what to do. You either put on your Bluetooth and share through Bluetooth, or you can share through third-party apps like Xender and the rest. So you do not need this working in the background, regularly searching for nearby devices. As you can see this is regularly searching. What it's looking for is available devices, and that is how it works continuously, 24/7 a day, 7 days a week. It keeps searching like that forever. All right, and that is going to add to the load on your battery, and it will help drain your battery faster. So you want to turn this off, because you don't need it to search for any nearby devices. So I'm going to turn this off. All right, so this is turned off. You're going to go back again, and we're going to look at other things that drains your battery. All right, so we are now back into settings. All right, in the settings, what we want to do is to type printing. Go to printing. So just scroll down till you get to printing. Remember that your own interface might be a bit different, and you might not be able to see some of the things here easily. So if you can't find them easily, what I advise you to do is just to search for them. So go to your search bar here and type in printing. All right, so I'm going to type in printing here, and I'm going to search for it. So printing is out. I'm going to click on printing, and I'm going to click on printing here. All right, so this is printing, and I have HP print service, default print service here. All right, so I do not print all the time. All right, so I do not need my print service to be turned on all the time. When this is turned on, it searches for HP printer all the time, endlessly, even while you're printing or when you are not printing. So I don't need this to be turned on forever. I just need it to be turned on whenever I want to make use of my phone to print. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. So I'm going to turn this off, because you can see that it's trying to search for available devices, but I do not want that, because I do not print all the time. I only want to turn this on whenever I want to print. So I'm going to click on this. It's going to turn it off. All right, so go to default print service, turn this. All right, so the reason why it keeps turning on is because it's searching for available print devices. So turn yours off. It is not supposed to be on all the time. All right, so that is that. So okay, so the next thing we want to do is to go to digital well-being. All right, so digital well-being, you're going to search for digital well-being. So you can see digital well-being here, and so what this does is that it just record your activities on your phone, how often you use Facebook, how often you use setting, how often you use all the activities on your phone. So but you do not need all of this all the time. You do not need all of these informations all the time, because they drain your battery. So it's regularly trying to track all the activities on your phone so that it can present it to you. It can be very, very helpful sometimes, but if your battery drains faster and you do not have need for this, or you are not used to this service, or you feel you do not have need for tracking your phone tracking your activities on your phone, and you might want to turn it off. So to turn it off, click on the three dots on the top right corner, and you want to go into manage your data. Click on manage your data, and daily phone usage, you're going to toggle it off. It's going to bring off this message saying digital well-being won't be able to access your data, and this data will be removed from digital well-being within 24 hours. So when you click on turn this off, it will be turned off. All right, so So these are the things that he has access to. All right, so it will no longer have access to all of that. So this is digital well-being. It is allowed. So when we toggle this off, it is off, and it will no longer bother you anymore. So that is it, folks. Hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.